Hey guys, Tiago here with Classical Technology, and thank you for joining me for another video. Today, I'm going to do another brief little look at the Maingear Element laptop, and as you can tell from my background, I'm actually traveling in a hotel room, so it's the perfect landscape to use something like this. How usable is it on the road, for gaming, and even for content creation? At home, you have the option of your big water-cooled rig, and you can do whatever you want because you have space, and so you can't lug around a big computer like that. So the idea is, can you put that much performance in a small package? And from my experience so far, it's yes. It's a lot of very, very good performance for both content creation as well as gaming. As you can see, I have my SD card that plugs right in here, so you can edit on, Adobe Premiere. It's been performing very well. Everything processes extremely fast. I could barely notice a difference between this and, one of my rigs at home with like a 9900K or something like that. If there's a difference, it's very minor. This has a 2070 Nvidia graphics card in there, a 9750H Intel CPU, 32 gigs of RAM, which is crazy for a laptop, and a 2 terabyte Intel 660p SSD. I can't tell you how awesome that is because I have all my games loaded on there. I can edit videos and I still have mountains and mountains of room. So that's definitely pretty awesome. I've been playing a couple of games on it. It's a great experience. I have my gaming mouse, of course. The trackpad is great, but I'm so used to a nice gaming mouse that's the first thing that I connect. And anytime you're on the road, it doesn't mean you have to leave your gaming experience at home. You want the 144 hertz refresh, yes. You want to have ultra graphics, of course. This gives it to you anywhere that you are, so that's what's really impressive. Not all laptops do. Some of them, while even being gaming laptops, a lot of times they can't really push that type of power. So it's incredible to have that experience when you're really mobile and away from your rigs at home. We'd all love to lug around these water-cooled rigs, but let's be honest, sometimes it's just, unless you're going to stay somewhere for a month, you don't want to bring anything like that. So this is the best thing. You throw it on a table, put the charger in, or even run it off battery, and you can edit some movies, you can game, you can really do a lot. And of course, with something like this, you always have to look at the negatives and positives. In general, I have very little to say against it. I think it's really well designed. The performance is great. If you have it on max, the fans definitely get loud. So just be aware of that. If you're Redline Max, these are the modes you can change on the laptop itself. There's a little Maingear Node software, which is integrated into the laptop. Looking at it, it's unbelievable how good it looks. Like a 1080p screen, 144 hertz. IPS panel, which is beautiful, beautiful colors, even for like film editing, in something like Adobe Premiere Pro. I'll leave you guys with a little footage of just, maybe playing some games on it, just using it. This was just a brief little video. I figured I'd take advantage of its natural habitat, which is mobile traveling. That's when it's really good, when you're not home. All right, guys, subscribe if you like, and we'll see you in the next video.